Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is obviously going to be a Jasmine from the movie Aladdin inspired look. I'll be showing you how to achieve like a kind of brown smoky eye look with a blue cut crease and a red lip, so it can be extra. And with the movie coming out and being Middle Eastern and loving Aladdin, I just really wanted to do this look, so I hope you enjoy it, and please do let me know if you'd like to see me do more looks like this, like movie themed or celebrity themed or anything like that. So thanks for watching. So to get started off, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and just apply this on my eyelids. And then I'm going to apply the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm just going to put this over top. And I've also applied some like golden gel pads underneath my eyes just to hydrate my eyes while I apply my eye makeup. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm going to be starting off with the shade Estate. Shade Palm here, and a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to apply this over like throughout my crease, just so I have like a nice crease for the cut crease. So now that I've applied that color throughout my crease, I'm just going to apply the shade Estate and a bit of Coastline to kind of soften the brown up a bit. So this one here and this one here, just with the same brush. But I'm going to kind of use these further up, like towards my brow bone, and just with like a light application as well. Cool, so now that I've done that, I'm just going to cut my crease with the same concealer. So then with like a flat shading brush, I'm just going to apply this shade here and apply this over the cut crease. Then just using a smaller brush, I'm just going to tidy up the application on the top part of the eyeshadow. Then with that same shading brush and the shade Palm again, I'm just going to kind of blend this with the blue throughout the middle of my eyelid. So then going back in with the palm and a small eye detailing brush. So you just want to lightly apply this on the bottom lash line. So then with the Soap & Glory Smoulder Kohl eyeliner, I'm just going to apply this into my waterline. So then I'm just going to apply some fake lashes. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara as well over top, just to kind of help cover up any eyeshadow that's sitting on my lashes. So then I'm just going to line my lids with a liquid eyeliner. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy liner. And I'm just going to create like quite a big wing with it as well. So now I'm just going to apply my base makeup, and I'm going to start off with the Australis primer water. I'm just going to spray this all over my face, and then I'm going to apply a primer and then foundation. The NYX Away We Glow strobing cream, so I use this quite a bit. It just gives the skin a nice like luminous glow. So for foundation, today I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This foundation, it's got like really nice coverage and it's matte and quite long lasting as well. To conceal under my eyes and like on any scarring and pigmentation. So next I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes to bake, and it's in the shade Pound Cake. And with the excess powder, I just like to tap it in on my face. So while that sets, I'm just going to lightly bronze my face with the Bahama bronzer from TheBalm. For this, I'm using this like angled brush from Essence, and it's got like a nice groove to it, which is great for like hugging the cheeks, so good for contouring. So now that I've heavily contoured and look like a snatched Jasmine, I'm going to apply blusher and then some highlighter onto my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, nose. So for blusher, I'm going to be using the Essence Mosaic blush. Just applying this with a fluffy blush brush and applying it on my cheekbones. So So now I'm just gonna brush off the setting powder from under my eyes and apply my highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Cover FX palette that I always use. So it's this one here. It's not very clean, so don't look at it. And I'm just going to use this color here with a fan brush. And then over top of that, I'm going to go over top of that with the Fenty Trophy Wipe highlighter, which is very golden, so I'm going to go very light-handed with that one. But before I do all of that, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to spray my face, just so the highlight pops a little bit more as well. Before I completely finish my look, I'm going to also apply some brow mascara to my brows just to kind of touch them up after all that powder has gone over them. And I'm also going to highlight my brow bone as well, so I'm going to use like this fluffy shadow brush as well. I still haven't applied the Trophy Wipe highlighter, so that'll just be like the final touch. So it's called CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow, which is very CoverGirly. Yes. And it's very pigmented. I love using this during the week, just when I'm too lazy to actually fill in my brows. So I love it. I'm just going to apply the Trophy Wipe highlighter over top now, just on my cheekbones because it is very dramatic. Now, to finish off the look, I'm just going to apply my lipstick. So I'm going to apply lip liner from Flower. And I don't know if I've said it, but those lip liners from Flower are so good. They're so creamy and they're really long lasting as well. And they're very cheap. So for lipstick, I'm going to apply the Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint in the shade Capri. And that there is my finished look. So it's very dramatic, red lip like Jasmine would typically wear, and a bit of blue eyeshadow because I wanted to stick with the whole Jasmine blue theme. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you'd like to see more like it. I really enjoyed making this video. I've always wanted to kind of do a Jasmine themed makeup look, and since the new movie Aladdin's just come out, like the remake, I thought it was like perfect timing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look, and please do give it a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more content as well. And thanks for watching. I hope you liked my earrings.